What's going on, everybody? What's going on? It's your boy Derrick Casey coming to you live from Dallas, Texas, and I am excited to speak with you guys today. What's going on? I hope everyone is having a blessed night, man, having a great weekend. So nonetheless, man, I want to talk to you, all of my online marketers that are out there, man. I just have an important question to ask you guys, and I really just want you guys to really just kind of open your minds up and think about some things, because I had a conversation with one of my business partners, and it just kind of made me realize like how many people we have in online businesses that may be missing out on this piece of information that could help them out in whatever business that they may be in. So we're gonna let Facebook do its thing, bring us up some people, and we about to talk to the people, man. So bear me one moment. I'm just sending out some invites here. What's going on? What's going on? All right, just give me just one moment here, guys. I know we're gonna have some people probably hopping on. Like I said, I just want to talk with you guys just for a tad bit. I won't take too much of your time. So cool. Hey, what's going on? So if you're coming in, say what's up. I'm hoping I can see the comments at the bottom so I can engage with you guys. For some reason, when I do this from my phone, I haven't been seeing them. So let me, I'm just going to put some down here just so I can see if they pop up. So I'm going to just put, hey. All right, cool. All right, I see that pop up. So that's good. That's good. So nonetheless, man, I want to talk to you guys about something that's very serious for you online marketers, something that you may be missing out on. And here's my question for you. For all of my online marketers, if you are currently working a 9-to-5 while having a home-based business, have you adjusted your W-4 at your job so that way you can stop overpaying in taxes? Okay? And I'm going to tell you the reason why I asked this. Okay? This video is not about me saying, oh, come join me. Okay, this is about sitting that to the side and giving you guys a piece of information that can help you out. Okay, because I've been in this industry for 6+ years. Okay, I hopped around from business to business before finding this opportunity that really kind of painted this picture for me. Okay, and I thought about that because there's a lot of people right now that have home-based businesses. Hey, but Casey, what's going on? So there's a lot of people that have home-based businesses, right? They want to generate an additional income, which is, why we're in business. But the one piece that we miss out on, and especially if you work a 9-to-5, is the fact that a lot of people aren't taking advantage of the tax laws and to stop them from overpaying in taxes, but also to be able to, turn their expenses into deductions. And maybe a lot of people don't understand, or maybe they don't realize that. I know for 6 years, guys, I was in business. I've always worked a job. But every company that I've been in never made it a priority to break that down to me. So the whole time I had a home-based business, the whole time, and I worked a 9-to-5, I was overpaying in taxes. I didn't write anything off because I didn't understand any of those things, which means I was literally just throwing money away. I was throwing money away. Just throwing away. Because I don't know if you guys realize this, is that the tax laws were never created for the employees, which is the reason why you see so many people who work a 9-to-5 overpaying in taxes. I don't know if you notice, but you probably do. You see your checks every single pay period, right? You're giving away upwards of 37% of your income away to the government. I'm going to give you guys for an example. Somebody I know that works with me had got their first paycheck. They just got hired, got their first paycheck with their commission. They were super excited about the amount that they were going to make, right? That they were going to bring in. But when I asked, how much they make, how much they bring home, this person made $3,300, okay? $3,300. Only bought home $2,500 of that. So that's $800 that they just gave away in taxes. So let me, I'm going to pull up my calculator because I want to show you guys like how much money you guys are just really throwing away if you don't understand these principles. You know what I'm saying? Understand how to leverage the tax laws that are out there. And like I said, I'm not here to tell y'all, something, oh, just come join. I'm trying to give y'all some facts, because this is something that I missed out on for the longest time. 6+ years in the industry. I worked a 9-to-5, had a home-based business, and my companies that I was with previously never made it a priority to break down the tax laws and the advantages that I had to starting a home-based business, things that I could write off, how to turn my expenses into deductions, and reduce the amount of money that the government can actually tax me on. So think about that. So let's take that example from the person that I'm talking about, right? So they gave away $800 in taxes. Well, if we go ahead and we equate that to 12 months, I want to say that's about $9,600. Yep, $9,600 that they're giving away a year. $9,600 of their income just gone. They just get that away to the government, tax free, just gone, right? So $800, that's a lot of money. So if you have a home-based business, did you know that you could take your home-based business and you can adjust your W-4 based on your home-based business, and you can take and put $300 to $600 of that money that you pay in taxes back into your paycheck? Maybe you didn't know that, but you can. And maybe the reason why you haven't done it is because most people that work a 9-to-5 filled out their W-2 form wrong. So to look at the W-4 and have to go in and adjust it and make sure things go in the right place, when people look at that form, they probably be like, now I don't know how to fill this out. And they'll put that to the side and do nothing and continue to overpay in taxes. Guys, I'm telling you, don't do that to yourself. Don't just keep throwing money away. When you have a home-based business, guys, take full advantage of the tax laws. You are now a business owner. You are a independent business owner, and there are tax laws that allows you to reduce your taxes, keep more of your money, turn your expenses into deductions, so that way you can write off things that you are already spending your money on, so you can lessen the amounts of money that the government can tax you on. Okay? And then to give you an example, look at Jeff Bezos, CEO of Amazon. The man made billions of dollars, paid zero in taxes. Meanwhile, you're working for $13, $14, $15 an hour. Some of you got salaries $40,000 to $50,000 or more, and you're giving upwards of 37% of your income to taxes. So how is that possible? That a man that makes way more money than you pays zero in taxes, but you make far less money, but you pay more in taxes? That just doesn't seem right. And maybe you haven't sat down and thought about those things. I'm not for sure what goes to your mind. But I am here to tell you that I have a program that can help you out, okay? Because there's a lot of you online marketers that's out here flashing money and saying how much money you're making, but you don't know what to do with your money. There's people that's still overpaying in taxes. There's still these online marketers that's making money that still got bad credit. There's online marketers making money that's still buried under debt, right? We got online marketers trying to make money and still don't have 2 nickels to rub together for their retirement, right? They don't have money to make investments to make their money make more money for them, right? So I'm here to tell you guys that we have a program. And I talk to, and the reason why I bring this up, because I talk to other entrepreneurs, like online marketers, and I ask these questions. And you would not believe the answers that I get when I speak to other online marketers. They have no clue. No clue. Hey, you still working 9-to-5? Yeah, I still working 9-to-5, and you have your business. Okay, cool. So have you adjusted your W-4 so that way you can keep more of your money, reduce the amount of taxes, and put that money back in your check? You know what people tell me? Oh, I heard about that, but now I haven't got to that yet. What? You haven't got to that yet? So you have a home-based business. You're okay with just overpaying in taxes. I don't know about you or what planet you come from, but nobody likes to overpay in anything if they don't have to. When was the last time you went to a store and you knew you were buying something that said it was on sale, but when you bought it, they charged you the full price? And when you noticed it on your receipt, did you wait a whole year to go back and get your money and say, hey, a year ago you overcharged me for something that should have been on sale? Absolutely not. You going right back into that store and you gonna say, hey, hold up now. Why you charge me full price, right? So it's the same thing with your taxes. You give all of this money away to the government, tax-free, right? They do whatever they do with your money. They put it into programs that will never benefit you. And then they give you a percentage of the money that you overpaid to the government. They give you a percentage back. And if you don't believe me, take a look at your W-2, right? What you made for the year. And then look at how much money you get back from the government in taxes. And then ask yourself, where is the rest of your money? Where's the rest of your money? See, it's time to wake up. It's time to wake up. We've been on the wrong side of money for so many years. We haven't understood. We never had an understanding of the rules of the rules of the wealthy. We never knew how to play the game the right way, which is the reason why we see so many people losing. When they say the wealthy keep getting wealthy and the poor keep getting poorer, it's because of the lack of financial literacy, information that is out there. It's not that the information is not out there, right? Because I get people all the time to say, well, why would I pay for something I could do myself? Okay, well, that's cool. You absolutely right. You can go out there, you can find this information, you can sit down and educate yourself and do it yourself. But if it was that easy, why is it the fact that so many people are still not doing it? They're still not doing it. So I'm coming on here to tell you guys, look, we got a program. And a lot of times when I speak with other online marketers, right, here's the problem. They're so wrapped up in their business, they'll turn down even getting a membership to help them. Let me break down what we offer, okay? So that way y'all understand, okay? We have a membership. It's a full financial solutions membership, right? And what we do is we're helping people with the strategies that we have, take their money back from the government, the banks, and big business so they can keep more of their money so they can run their business, right? And then we're helping them to increase their income so they can make more investments so they can have money making money for them, okay? And we give you a team of licensed experts that not only educate you, right, but they do the work for you and your spouse. They do the work. All you have to do is upload the information to your experts. These are your experts. You can ask them any questions about your situation, about anything financial. You can ask them, and they're gonna point you in the right direction, and you just follow their lead, because these are people with over 25 years of experience. I'm talking CPAs, certified financial planners, and we have enrolled agents with the IRS that understand the laws that are out there to protect us. And you get a chance to plug into that. You don't have to get into the business. That's what I love most about this opportunity. There's an opportunity. And the reason why we offer business, let me help you understand that, because I have people that come to me all the time and like, oh, I don't like selling and all this stuff. Let me break this down for you. If you already have a business, we're not saying get into the business. What we are saying is plug into the membership. Get that membership for yourself so you got a team of experts that can help you sort out your financial situation. So that way you're not making bad choices when it comes to your money. Making sure that you're not overpaying in taxes. Leverage those experts so you can get those credit scores up so the interest rates and insurance premiums can come down. Leverage the experts to help you eliminate all of your debt in record time, guys. Leverage the experts that's going to help to negotiate your bills and reduce the amount of money that you spend on bills every single month so you can keep more of your money. Leverage the experts that's going to show you how to become your own bank, right? And showing you guys about land banking, right? If y'all don't know nothing about that, guys, if you don't know anything about that, guys, let me just break that down to you. We have a division in our membership that shows you how to buy land 20 to 40% below the market value in a path of growth. So they already have surveyed the land. They see buildings coming, businesses coming, and you get a chance to get a piece of that land and hold on to it. So when those developments, those stores, schools, whatever come in and they want that piece of land, you can sell it at retail cost and make a lot of money. This is the piece that a lot of people are missing. You have access to these type of strategies. But a lot of you online marketers, you get so wrapped up in your business that you miss out on it. I talked to somebody, just a sweet lady, man, had a great conversation. She tells me that, man, she need experts. that she's been flying under the radar of taxes because she hasn't wrote anything off. She hasn't really filed any taxes. She's just making money. I'm like, man, you're missing out on so much. You're missing out. Yet, she's plugged in her business. And the first thing they say is, well, I got so much on my plate. I can't really focus on those things. I love when other online marketers say that. I got so much on my plate, I can't focus on those things. I ain't asked you to be in the business. I'm giving you some information that can help you out. Because if you're not writing your taxes and doing those things, if you're not taking care of your taxes correctly, you could put yourself in a worse position where you owe the IRS, right? If you are not fixing your credit and getting your credit scores up, guys, you're paying higher interest rates and insurance premiums. I mean, let's face the facts. If you got debt, that money that you're making in your online business, guys, you got to start forking that over to debt, man. Stop giving your money away. Let us help you clear those things up so you can keep more of your money, so you can take care of your business, and then leverage your income that you're making to make better investments so you can start preparing for your retirement and your kids' college fund. Okay? So I'm breaking this down to you guys. It's up to you to take a look. Take a look into it. It's free information. I'm not one of those people that force anybody into anything. I'm not chasing you down. I won't be in your inbox and doing those type of things. If you want information, I'm going to send it to you. I'll follow up with you to see if this is something that's a fit for you. And if it is, we'll talk next steps. If it's not, okay, not a problem. You got the information, so you make the move when you're ready. If you don't, I'll pray for you and hope that you find what it is that you're looking for, okay? But I spent 6 years, and I ain't going to say spend, I wasted 6 years working a 9-to-5 while having a home-based business, overpaying in taxes. My credit was horrible, buried under debt, still didn't have 2 nickels to rub together for my retirement. And then I come across this opportunity that I've been with almost 2 years, working with the experts, sorting out me and my wife's financial situation, making sure we're not overpaying in taxes, learning about that. You know what I'm saying? Making sure my credit scores are up. You know what I'm saying? My wife's credit scores are up because of this opportunity. So now we were able to come through, right? And we were able to reduce the insurance and interest rates. Our debt almost taken care of. And now we're at a point now to where we can leverage the income because we're keeping more. We're not overpaying the taxes. We keep more of that money. We are now reducing the interest rates and insurance premiums. We keep more of that money, right? We're eliminating debt and reducing our bills. We're keeping more of that money. So now we can leverage it to do other things. And that's all I'm trying to share with y'all. That's all I'm trying to share with you guys. So if you don't have these strategies, if you're not exercising these strategies as an online marketer for your business, guys, wake up, okay? Wake up. And even if you don't come over and take advantage of this membership and leverage the experts to help you with that, guys, go out there and do your own research. Go out there and do your own research. Get that information. Learn it. Get it done yourself if you don't want to pay for a membership or experts to help you. Guys, go out there and get the information. I just don't want to see my online marketers do exactly what I did and waste all of these years working a 9-to-5 and still overpaying in taxes. Having bad credit, buried under debt. I want to be able to share this with you guys. That's why I get so excited. Man, I got a big event to speak at tomorrow, to go out and talk to people and share these strategies, this value, because it's time for us to be on the right side of money. It's time for us we got to stop playing games. We got to take what we learned from 2020 and we got to be better in 2021. We can't come into 2021 doing the same things that we were doing. Guys, look at what's been happening. Look at what's been happening. Millions of people without jobs because they didn't game plan. They put all of their eggs in one basket, not thinking that they were expendable, not thinking that the doors were ever shut down. And then all of a sudden we hit a pandemic and businesses are closing down and now people were losing their jobs. No backup plan. They sat around stressing every single day, not knowing where their money was coming from, how they was going to keep a roof over their head, food on the table, while waiting for the government to come in and bail them out. And guess what happened? It didn't happen. They argued and argued and argued and argued. and then just to come back and cut your benefits in half and send you a one-time $600 payment. Guys, if you were struggling with your regular income from your job, what in the hell was $600 going to do for you? For some of you guys, that don't even cover your rent. For some of y'all, that don't even cover your car payment. Like that doesn't do anything. So it's time for you guys to prepare for war in the time of peace. When you are on that path and things are just kind of staying afloat, this is the time you have to make some decisions. You got to make some decisions, guys. You cannot keep going on and on doing the same things. But a lot of online marketers are missing that piece. Like I said, even if you don't come and hit me up and get this information, you don't take a look, all I'm encouraging you to do is go look at the information. Do your research on, especially in the tax field, right? Go do your research on what you can take advantage of now that you have a home-based business while working a job. Do your research. And if it makes more sense for you to do it on your own and learn it on your own, go and get it. Do not keep giving your money away to the government, okay? Do not do it. But if you don't want to take the time, or you don't have the time, and you want to be able to have a membership with a team of experts that can help you do that, guys, hit me up. That's it. This ain't got nothing to do with your business. I'm not trying to take you away from your business. I promise you that. I'm not. All I'm saying is this membership is for everybody. For everybody. Everybody pay taxes. Everybody got to deal with credit. Most people have debt, right? Everybody pay bills. Everybody needs to retire at some point. Okay? Everybody needs to, all these areas fit you guys. And we got a team of experts to help you in every one of those areas. So take advantage. Check it out for yourself. See how this works. All right? Even if it's just for the fact that you guys coming on board and leveraging these experts to get your money back from the government. That's a big piece in itself. And you want, and I'm going to just say this before I go. I want you to understand there's a lot of people right now that's in business that isn't, I can't get my words right, isn't making the money that they should be making in their opportunity. Okay? So when you have to maintain your business, because you have to maintain your business, right? You have business expenses. Where's that money coming from? That money's coming out of what? Your pockets. The whole goal is to have the business paying for itself so that way you can be making revenue, right? A return on your investment. Let me show you how easy it is, guys. If you still work a job and you adjust your W-4 and you turn it in and you take full advantage of the tax laws that are out there for home-based business owners, you can add an additional $300 to $600 a month back into your paycheck, okay? That's without recruiting anybody into your business. Without recruiting a single soul, you can get your money back from the government because you have a business. Now, let's just say you get $300 back from the government that comes in every single month. And your monthly expenses for your business could be $100 or $150 or $200. Guess what? The money that you took back from the government that you were overpaying, you can now leverage to maintain your business. That's one less stress that you got to worry about financially because it's not coming out of the money that you're making. Think about that. Think about that. So if you're struggling to maintain your business financially and you still work a 9 to 5, let me show you how you can put that money back in your check and keep your business going until you start generating the income that you're looking for. All right. So that being said, I hope that really hit home for you. If you got any questions or whatever the case, I am always happy to hop on a call with you guys, answer any questions, concerns, or doubts. I'm willing to do private Zoom calls, whatever it is, so that way you can see this information for yourself. And then in hopes that you guys take action. If you don't, that's cool. No worries. But at least you know that it's out there for you. Okay? So that being said, it's your boy Derrick Casey coming to you live from Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for taking the time to kick it with me for a little bit. And I look forward to talking to y'all soon. Good night.